I'm Caroline Hamp. I'm a junior, graduating 2015. I'm on the swim team and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I've been competing in swimming since I was really young. Originally I was terrified of the water. My parents threw me in lessons in order to get over my fear, and I've been swimming ever since. I primarily compete in butterfly and backstroke. At conference I'll probably do 200 backstroke, 200 IM, and 100 butterfly. And I'd have to say the sprint butterfly is definitely my favorite. I like to just get up and race, not even think about it. I think what appeals most to me in swimming is the team, the team camaraderie. We have great team relationships, and that's what keeps me going. The most difficult thing about swimming is that you're really racing the clock. It's pretty black and white, and a lot of times you're just trying to drop a few hundredths of a second, and that can get very frustrating when that little amount of time makes so much of a difference. The most rewarding is definitely seeing all your hard work pay off, getting to a big meet and swimming your fastest, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but when it pays off, it's really great. I think the key to my success in swimming has been dedication. I'm pretty good at staying focused, and I hate missing practice. I'm always here, always putting in the work. My favorite moment of my athletic career so far would probably be winning the MVP award last year at conference, just because it was such a surprise, a very pleasant surprise. I was pretty emotional for some reason, and I think it just hit me in that moment that I'm actually needed on the team and that my hard work does pay off. When I was younger, the athlete I most tried to emulate would be Natalie Coughlin. She was this great Olympic swimmer. I think everyone loved her. But nowadays, I focus more closer to home. I emulate my captains and the girls, the upperclassmen on the team. Not a lot of people know that I want to become a journalist. Particularly, I want to be a foreign correspondent. So I guess for some reason people don't associate with me with going out there and trying to get the news, but that's what I want to do. If I could have one last meal, I would definitely have breakfast. I love breakfast food, anything, pancakes, eggs, bacon. This past summer I was actually in England where they have huge breakfasts every day, so that was heaven for me. We had feast every morning. My interests out of the pool are primarily writing based. I like to write for our Ringtung Phi, our newspaper, and then I also write for Phi Beta Kappa's newsletter, The Key Reporter. I am on Neighbor Service League because I love volunteering. Sometimes I stop by Habitat for Humanity. And then I'm also a Pi Phi, and I'm on the standards board for Pi Beta Phi. If I could have dinner with one person, right now, this is nerdy, it would be Professor Koski, just because he's a cool guy and I miss him. He's on sabbatical this year, so it'd be nice to catch up with him. The best thing about being a student athlete at W&L is definitely the teammates. I have a whole new friend group because of it. I really rely on my teammates, and they've shaped my experience in really positive ways. I've had a lot of awesome classes at W&L. I'm an English and religion major, and everything I've taken in those two discourses have been really incredible. Right now, one of my favorites is my Native American Lit class. It excites me every day. We talk about big topics. Today we discuss justice and responsibility and morals. So the fact that I get to talk about such big topics with such smart people every day is awesome. I do have a few pre-race rituals, but I don't consider myself superstitious. I don't know, I like to eat certain meals before I race. I jump around behind the blocks, try and get my heart rate up, say a quick prayer. Pretty typical stuff. My dream vacation would be to go to Greece, potentially also Turkey and the Czech Republic. And this spring term, I'm actually signed up for a class to go to Greece, so maybe my dream vacation will come true. A hero in my life, that's hard to say, solely because hero is such a big word to live up to, but I'd have to say my younger sister would come closest. She's just so strong and has a great personality, and despite the fact that she's only 14 years old, I definitely look up to her. My goals for the rest of the season are pretty steep. Originally I wanted to try and make NCAAs, and I realize that's a stretch at this point, but more realistically, I want to continue to beat pool records and school records in medley relays as well as in 100 butterfly, and just to go out there and swim my best. For anyone who wants to swim in college, be ready to be dedicated and put in a lot of hard work, but it's totally worthwhile, trust me. I've made incredible friends, I've learned a lot of great lessons, and I get to swim every day.